In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete spam emails in Gmail. Clearing out spam keeps your inbox tidy, protects you from risky links, and can even free up storage space. I'll walk you through the exact steps on the Gmail website, and I'll point out helpful details along the way so you know exactly what to expect. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser. Once your mailbox loads, take a look at the left-hand sidebar where your labels and folders appear. If that list looks short, that's normal. Gmail collapses some sections by default to save space. Click the option labelled More to expand the list and reveal all available folders. Next, choose Spam from that expanded list. It usually has a small warning icon beside it, and when you select it, Gmail will display every message that has been automatically flagged as spam. Gmail's filters are constantly working behind the scenes to catch unwanted messages, and anything that lands here is scheduled to be removed automatically after about 30 days. Still, it's useful to understand what's in this folder before you clear it out, especially if you've been getting a lot of junk recently. At the top of the spam page, you'll see a prominent option that says delete all spam messages now. This is the quickest way to empty the folder in one step. Click that option when you're ready. Gmail will ask you to confirm, just to make sure you intended to remove everything. In the confirmation prompt, click OK. After you do, Gmail permanently deletes the contents of the spam folder. This action helps keep your account clean and reduces the chance of interacting with malicious messages by accident. Depending on how much spam you've accumulated, the deletion may take a moment. When it's finished, you should see a message indicating that your spam folder is empty. That's all there is to it. By opening Gmail, expanding your sidebar with More, selecting Spam, and using Delete All Spam Messages Now, you can clear out junk in seconds. Consider making this a quick maintenance routine whenever you notice your storage creeping up, or if you've recently received a surge of unwanted mail. Keeping your spam folder empty not only streamlines your email experience, but also adds a layer of safety by reducing clutter and the temptation to click suspicious content. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to delete spam emails in Gmail.